flip this around, y'all.
Make that money.
All I had to do was change the denom.
Yeah.
Well, hello, viewers. Rayco here, y'all, in front of Sahara Gold. That's Choctaw. Y'all, we're having a good time doing this drawing. Got Infinite to my left.
I'm just wasting money, y'all.
Yeah, he's just having fun. Hey, y'all, we're gonna keep playing. Hopefully we get our names called in this drawing. Let me get this tight at the bottom. Okay. Oh, good job, Dad. 46 bucks. Y'all, we're gonna do $25 spins only. Let's see what we can do. Volume's up. Max bet. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that, 2,500 ball. Here, let me drop this a little bit. There we go. I think that's better. Y'all can see everything. But here are the pots. Making sure I showed y'all. Nothing crazy, but hey, hopefully we get something, y'all. Gonna have some fun. Loaded 2K in. FNSA's hit. Oh, come on. Ah, he had a major drop, y'all. He's dabbling.
They're just teasing.
Yeah. 10 bucks. Yeah, y'all, they could call our name during a drawing. That'd be awesome, huh, Dad?
I love it, son.
Yeah.
Just the thought of it is good.
So we're doing max bet spins on some Lightning Link, y'all. We love old Lightning Link. 26. Come on. Y'all, we need 6 of these. 6 of those orbs.
Oh, there it was right there. Uh-oh.
Come on. Oh, we need 3 of these Taj Mahals, y'all. Let me throw in just a couple 1250s because I'm not sure what's going to happen with it. So let's do rapid fire at 12. Just a couple. Okay. All right. So back to 25. If Eddie gets a bonus, y'all, I'm going to pan over there. Come on, baby. You know, these links, they can take a little bit before they pay. Come on.
That was nice, Lord.
Yeah, a little 250. Oh, you almost had something. Come on, baby.
I'm playing next door.
Okay. I'm gonna stick here until something happens. Come on, 2 more. Oh, would have been nice. 15. Gotta get something, y'all. Y'all, we've had an amazing trip here at Choctaw and Windstar, y'all. We are loving it. Come on, bonus. There we go, a little love there. 20 bucks. Now we're gonna play until something happens. Tell you what, let me do 5 cent real quick, just some 1250 max bets. Just wanna see if maybe we can get a little love out of it. Oh yeah! Yeah, y'all! Man, let me flip this around, y'all!
Make that money.
All I had to do was change the denom.
Yeah.
5 cent denom, y'all, and it just dropped. All right, you guys, hey, make sure you hit the like button. You guys, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you're enjoying and you consider subscribing. Let's see what we can do. All right, here we go, y'all. We got a 250, 125, and a major, and I'll show you what that is in a little bit. Come on, baby. Y'all, all we had to do was change the denom. Oh yeah, 1250. I think we might get a Handpay. Come on, 5 hundo. All right, last lucky spin. Yeah, saved it. 37.50, y'all. Yeah. Oh, I'm loving this, y'all. Look at that. All we need is 2 more orbs.
Oh, that was good.
Hey, that's a monster, y'all. Did we lock it up? I don't know, because it's only $5.88 for the major. Oh, yeah, but we'll take it.
I like it, son.
Yeah, y'all.
I like it. I love it.
Oh, yeah, y'all. Let's see if we locked it up. Ooh, that's close. So in order to lock it up, y'all, I think this has to be at 24. Ooh, we're right under the curve, y'all. Right under the curve. Perfect. Do a few backups at 5 cents. Okay. Hey, let's do a few more. All right, here's what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna print and sprint. We're up, and we're gonna jump next door. We may come back, but hey, let's try old Happy Lantern. Oh wait, no, hold on. So we have a 533, a 670. You wanna switch me, Dad? Because I'm gonna do some 25s on that. Since it's up, it's the highest one. Yeah, go ahead, put that in there. So 5 hundo, so we dropped that major. Nah, it's fine though, we'll be good. Let's see here, y'all. And you know what, Dad? That moon race on the other side, that moon race right there is the next one, right? 566. Yeah, you should jump on that moon race. All right, y'all, I have to tighten the base real quick. So we have 25 hundo in. Here are the pots. All right, y'all, let's see what we can do. $25 spins. Hey, let's hope we can get this one to turn up on 25. That last one, we had to change the denom, you guys. Come on, 3 money bags. Either need 3 money bags or he's wild. But we need 6 of the bullets. Do a rapid fire. Ah. Come on. If we have to, we'll do the exact same thing we did on the other one. 9s, which is change the denom. Come on. Oh. Throwing a couple 1250s just to change it up, y'all. Sometimes that's all you need to do is change it up. Come on, baby. $12.50. All right, let's go back to 25. Okay, a little love there. For 53. Having so much fun at Choctaw, you guys. $5. Wow, it's difficult to get 6 orbs. Come on. Oh, almost. Now we're trying to get that drawing. They're giving away a good amount. Come on, baby. You know what? Let me try 5 cent, y'all. Sometimes you just gotta try something different. 5 cent is $12.50 a spin. Look at that. We're gonna get something, y'all.
Go to the other side.
Oh, I'm gonna play it till we at least bonus or something.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not giving up on it. Let's go back to 10 cent, y'all. Back to 25 bucks. Come on! Oh, 2 minors, y'all. Minors are 500. Oh, come on!
Oh, that would have been nice.
Yeah, would've. But we're getting the numbers dropping, y'all. That's what we want. Okay, a little love there. Oh, we didn't get those ones. They're not lighting up. It's just gonna take some work. Come on, baby. All we need is 6 orbs. Oh, so close, y'all. All right, let's go back to 5 cent. You know, just trying different things, y'all. You never know. Wow, look at those numbers. I want to stick around 25 bucks as much as I can, y'all. So I want us to get it on 25 bucks. Come on, baby. Oh, so close. Would have been a hand pay, y'all. All right. Oh, yeah. Got the bonus. All right, you guys. Hey, we're just having fun. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can drop some color. Got 7 of them out there. Oh, wow. That was crazy. So we'll do 3 backups, you guys. After the 3 backups, we'll probably try something else. 425. We're just jumping around. Come on, do it back to back. Oh. I don't know. This one got them numbers dropping. I know it could be teasing me, so let's sprint the sprint, y'all. I'm gonna go next door to Best Bet. This time, let's try something a little different. So this time, we're actually gonna start off on 5 cent. And then, okay, here are the pots. And then we'll go to 10 cent. Oh, FNS added. Well, we're gonna start off with FNS added, you guys.
10 cent, got $100. Right?
Yeah. Come on, Dad. Drop that 568 major, Dad.
Tell it to drop, son.
Come on, baby. So Dad got 7 orbs as well. It's like these bonuses are dropping 7. 15. 15 again. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Oh,
I saw a flash.
You're 3 away from 15K, Dad.
It'd be nice if you give it up.
It might.
Come on, you can give it up.
Come on, save it. Okay.
Money back. Go ahead and see what best bet.
Let's add it up. Let's add it up. We'll get with best bet in a minute. Ain't no hurry. Okay. There you go, FNS Eddie. 250. All right, y'all. Trying to hit that 15K. Let's start off on 5 cents for a few spins. I noticed that it seemed like that denom was doing slightly better. But who knows? We'll see. Come on, baby. Y'all, we need 6 chalices or we need 3 of those horseshoes.
Hey, man. Man.
You got it.
Hey, I watch y'all on YouTube, man.
How you doing, man?
Hey, finally met y'all.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, good luck, man. Hope you hit big.
Make that money.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me go to 10 cent. I don't want to spend too much time on 5 cent. Come on, baby. Ah. Oh, look at that.
It's just teasing, gang.
Oh, you know how it is. Got 12 hundo left in there.
Look at
A little love. 4 of a kind from Money Back. Come on.
Oh, there's 3 of them in 5.
Yep. Minor would be 5 hundo, you guys. Hey, I mean, they're dropping. They might drop. Getting closer, getting closer. Ooh, it was right there, y'all. Let's see if we can get that bonus. Yeah, if that one would have landed, it was like right there. All right, little love. Probably like 50. Oh, 25, never mind. My expectations were a little too high there. Yeah! God, how many did we get? We got 3, 6, 9 to start.
And a mini is 100.
Let's see what we can do. This might be a hand pay, y'all. We can get any to drop. I'm feeling it. Yeah.
Oh, I saw it over there.
Oh, that major.
Come on, give it up.
Oh, it was so there. All right, y'all. Hey, good hit. That was a good one, you guys. It was close. It was close. 900. All right, you guys. That puts us back up where we like to be. Do 3 backups, and then we might actually move to the other side. Oh, so close. One more for the road. All right, y'all. Let's sprint and sprint. We're going to go to the other side, you guys.
You don't want to play this
No, let's see. Yeah, 570. Let's see what the other side has to offer, and we'll go from there. Okay, let me know. Check real quick. Let me know if there's availability. No, I'm saying check so I can. Yeah, there's availability. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. We're gonna head this way. All right, y'all. We have high stakes. There's 2 of them, so I'm gonna pick the one with the higher major. All right. We got a 532. Believe it or not, that's the higher one, y'all. This one's 527. Maybe we can get a bonus. Let me tighten this up a little bit. Give me a second, you guys. All right, sorry about that, but almost there. All right, you guys, let me see if that worked. No, it's still leaning. Give me a second, you guys. All right, thank y'all for your patience. Now the camera's working better. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna load this ticket in there. Same grand, which is 15 thou. See if we can get a bonus. Come on, there we go. Cards reading. We'll do the same thing, y'all. We'll start off with 5 cents. Do some 12.50 max bets. Come on, baby. And then we will take it up to 25. Gonna be a nice long video for you guys. All right, people getting bonuses around here, y'all. Okay, a little car action, y'all. It's a good one. All right, that was a hundo. Let's take it up to 10 cents for $25 spins, you guys. Okay. 28. Need 3 of these briefcases or 6 of the chips. People getting bonuses. Come on, baby. First couple chips that we've seen. The numbers look good. $5. And if it's not doing anything, you know, I'll switch back to 5 cents and then work our way back up. Come on. So king action for 15. Yeah, I'm seeing all these numbers go by. Yeah, let's go back to 5 cents. Get these chips to drop. There we go. Come on. Ah. 3. There we go. 4. All right. Come on, baby. All right, y'all, let's go back to 10 cents for 25s. We warmed it up. Yeah. All right, you guys. Hey, gotta change them denoms here and there. All right, y'all, 72 to start. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Come on, car. Okay. Oh, wait, no, we didn't get that one. It's not moving. But it's still good. 237. Come on, baby. Let's get a chip. Oh. Cars for 317. Okay. Not bad. $482. Ooh, close. Okay, little card deck to end the session. 562, y'all. All right, let's do a few backups and I'll jump next door. Same machine. Okay, well, always see your backup spins, you guys. Oh, good one. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a real good one. All right, y'all, let's see what we can do. Come on, Chip. Yes! Got a $1,000 chip, y'all. I think we're about to lock it up. All right, y'all, let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, can we drop that 500 major? I saw it flashing. Okay. All right, you you guys. I think we're already at a Handpay. All right, y'all. 1200. All right, let's keep it going. Can we get another chip? Oh, we got 10s all the way. All right, 1300. Come on, chip. Oh, we got the ladies. Come on, chip. Chip, 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 chip. Come on, baby. Oh, but we got 10s. Partial. 1500. All right, you guys. Hey, we'll be back after this to do some follow-up. Hope you guys are enjoying this stream, you guys. So thank you. Good luck, y'all. All right, well, hey, gotta get paid. Then from there, we'll keep it moving. All right. All right, you guys. Well, hey, she unlocked the machine for me. Y'all, we still have 1800. Ooh, we still have an 1800 ticket, y'all. Let's do a few backups. And then from there, I might just jump next door, y'all. Or I'll keep playing. I don't know. Come on. All right, last one here. Or not. 30 bucks, 3 more. All right, y'all, let me print and sprint. All right, you guys, hey. At Windstar on their new side, you guys, in front of Peace and Long Life. Look at those pots. Yeah, it's looking nice, huh, Dad?
Yes. You gonna start off with the $2 denom? What you wanna do, son?
Yeah, you know it. Let's do $2 denom. I'll vary between 10 and 20. How about that? Let's see what we can do. Just have some fun, you guys. Looking for 3 of those peaches. Oh,
Teasing us.
Teasing for no reason. Nice numbers.
It'd be nice if it was real nice to us.
Yeah.
Give us 3 apples. We'll pick that. We need a bonus.
Need a bonus. There we go, little love. But repeat. Oh, yeah. That's a good win. That's a good win. Y'all hundo. Repeat that $10. Since it's only 5 pay lines, we're looking for basically a bonus.
Ain't nothing like hunting bonuses.
Yeah.
And if something don't happen in a few more spins, we can go to the next.
You know what?
door neighbor.
Let me switch the cards, y'all. Give me a second. Let me see if my free play will work. Well, you guys, it wouldn't let me use my card on this game, but FNS said he might do a few spins, huh?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, y'all. Let's see if he can get a bonus. And then we're gonna play the one next to him. Oh, thought you had it, Dad. Having some fun here at Windstar, y'all. This new area is interesting. Come on, need 3 of those, y'all. Oh, yeah. There you go, Dad. 30 bucks. Come on. I got a good feeling, Dad.
I love it when you have a good feeling, son.
Yeah.
It normally equates to a bonus.
A bonus. Come on, baby. Oh, just the wrong yellow on that one. Queens. Money back. I'll double the money back.
Come on, apples. Come on out and play. I need a bonus, y'all.
Okay. Come on, baby. Yeah! I guess the feeling is real. The feeling is mutual, y'all. FNS Eddie got the games. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. We need the times 2 all the way across.
Big stuff.
That's good. That's good. Come on, baby.
Big stuff.
Yeah. Oh man, that was so close. That was so close.
Oh,
It's a good one. That's a good one. But if you get the times 2 all the way, Dad, you can lock it up. All right, y'all. Still 3 more spins. Oh, I got blocked by the orbs.
I want the orbs and then it messes around.
Oh yeah, that's a monster, Dad.
What?
That's a monster. Yeah.
1,200.
FNS Eddie. That's is that a Handpay, Dad? $10.
Yeah, what do you think,
Yeah. Go ahead, Dad.
Somebody got to do it.
Hey, man, we're locking things up here, aren't we?
I just followed in behind you.
Yeah. Hey, that's the way we do it, y'all. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
I know. Hit it again. Shoot.
No, let it go.
Okay.
That's good shit. That's good shit. 2 times the deers.
All right.
2 times the deer.
Yeah, that's a big kahuna.
Look at that. Man.
Look at that ticket.
I want to tell you
Hey, how you doing? Get some of that luck.
Brandon, yeah.
Brandon, nice to meet you. You brought us luck. Yeah. How y'all doing?
What's your name? Paul, how you doing, Paul?
Nice to meet you, Paul. Dad, you
Ain't
look.
nothing like getting a little bit of
Y'all,
something.
look at this monster. Y'all, that was a $10 spin.
On a 1 seat note, you got 26 coming back.
Yeah, y'all.
Says call attendant.
All
I
right.
guess you better give him a driver's license.
You sure should.
Nah, I guess you better get with it. So
Yeah,
you
let
got
me
a little bit
get
longer
with
to catch
it.
up with me.
All right, y'all loaded the $30 free play. It took it, so I'm actually impressed. Y'all, I'm gonna do like FNS Eddie, y'all. Let's start off with.
Need but 10.
I know, right? I'm like, man.
I followed in behind you.
Yeah, no, I love it. I love it. I had to get up though because it wouldn't take it, y'all. So I'm glad Dad played it. Woo!
Look at that tease.
Come on! You know how it goes. You know how it goes. I'm gonna go to 20 actually, you guys. Come on, baby. My favorite bet on this game is actually 30. That's like my sweet spot. I think I can do something there, y'all. But we're gonna jump around.
2.
Gotta get those balloons. But we gotta line something up, y'all.
Well, we can't go late. We can't
Okay.
be late. No late. Come on.
Come on.
You gotta get a bonus.
Yeah, we do. Okay, little love. 20 bucks.
I can't believe I got it.
Yeah, Dad. No, it's because of the multiplier. When you get the times 2, that's a monster.
Now,
All right, I'm gonna do 3
One
at.
more of those. Maybe you got to do like John did and touch it.
Touch him, yeah. Come on, Panda. Wish you would move.
Or you were supposed to touch the little orb or whatever that thing is.
Oh, okay.
Well, based on what it's doing, son, you know what
Yeah.
you're supposed to do.
Oh yeah, we'll print and sprint.
There you go.
I'm not gonna let it go below 6. Come on, baby.
One more.
Oh, first tease, y'all. Couple more.
Let me get out your way. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all, couple more, and then we're gonna print and sprint. All right, y'all. Hey, FNS Eddie did awesome. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna do some follow-ups on that one, you guys. Be back in a few. All right, you guys. Well, we had them clear the screen. You know, we got to do backups. I'm gonna FNS Eddie. Go ahead, man. You was hitting it. So I'm gonna load in the 600 ticket from the other machine, so we can at least do 3 backups. Go ahead, Dad.
Let's see
What we can do. Can you back it up with the bonus? Only FNS Eddie can back it up with a bonus. Oh, that's a $2,500 miner. Would have been nice. All right, you guys. Hey, time to print and sprint, huh, Dad?
Yeah, we love printing and sprinting.
That's right.
A lot of tickets like that.
Yeah, y'all. That's such a good session. Hey, we want to thank you all for watching. All right.
Viewers, this is FNS Eddie, getting his cardio on, getting in shape so he can run and find these jackpots per your subscriber request. So please list them in the comments below.